Hello and welcome back everyone. In the last lecture we saw some repetition characters and we mentioned that star, question mark, and plus are called greedy characters. Now we'll see how we can convert those greedy characters into non-greedy characters. Okay? So let's look at an example. re dot find all, and then r, if I want to find out a followed by 0 or more b's, I can say ab star and pass the text string. So I got this result. We say that this is a greedy character. Now, how can we convert this into a non-greedy character? So by adding a question mark, we can make all these greedy characters non-greedy. All we have to do is add a question mark. Okay? So let's convert this into a non-greedy character. re dot find all, and then r, the pattern we want to search for, a followed by 0 or more b's, and then add a question mark to make it non-greedy and pass your string. Run it. So this is the result that I got. A. So let me call my text. This is my text, right? So in here, ab star gave me this, a followed by 0 or more b's, whereas ab star question mark converts that to a non-greedy character. So a followed by 0 or more b's. So it takes the least number of match. Instead of taking 1b, it takes, since it's 0 or more b's, it takes only 0 b's. So we got a. Similarly here, a followed by 0 or more b's. It takes the least requirement, which is 0. So the result is a. That's what non-greedy means. So for the greedy one, it takes the maximum pattern match here. Whereas when we convert it to a non-greedy character by adding a question mark, it takes the least pattern match. Okay? Now let's move on to AB plus. That's a followed by 1 or more b's. So re dot find all, r, ab plus, and then pass in my text string. So here we have the greedy one. Now let's convert that to a non-greedy by adding a question mark. re dot find all, r, and the pattern you want to look for, ab plus. To make it non-greedy, add a question mark and pass your string text. Run it. So here the requirement is a followed by 1 or more b's. So the least pattern match is 1b, right? Since it's 1 or more. So I got ab. So it satisfies the least pattern match compared to the greedy one here. Okay? Now let's look at a followed by 0 or 1b. So re dot find all, r, pass in the pattern, ab question mark, and then text. Here I have a followed by 0 or 1b, right? Let's make that non-greedy. re dot find all, r, ab question mark. So to make it non-greedy, all we have to do is add a question mark and then pass our text string. Run it. So this is what I got. A followed by 0 or 1B. Since the least pattern match is 0, that's why I got A. That's 0 or 1B compared to the greedy one. Great. That's how we can convert greedy characters to non-greedy characters. To recap, we saw what repetition characters are. So the star character returns 0 or more pattern match. So if I say AB star, this will return A followed by 0 or more B's. If I say AB plus, that will return A followed by 1 or more B's. If I say AB question mark, that will return A followed by 0 or 1B. And to make this 3 greedy characters non-greedy, all we have to do is add a question mark right next to them. That will make them non-greedy and return the least pattern match. And we also saw that if we say AB and then in curly brace pass some number 2, for instance, that means A followed by 2 B's. Whereas if we pass 2 and 5, that will return a match where A is followed by a minimum of 2 B's and a maximum of 5 B's. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.